Verlede tyd. Past tense using the regular verb. When doing verlede tyd, it is important to underline the verb. If there is just a regular verb, we use het and ge. It is always this verb that moves around. Ek lees 'n boek. The verb is lees. This is the verb that will be moving around. The lees is replaced by het. Lees moves to the end of the sentence and gets a ge attached to it. Piet skop die bal. Skop is the verb. The verb is replaced by het, and skop moves to the end of the sentence and has a ge attached to it. Piet het die bal geskop. Sari eet 'n appel. Eet is the verb. The verb eat moves to the end of the sentence and a ge is attached to it. Sari het 'n appel geëet.